Now that you've decided to buy a house, I want to help make sure you're ready. Part of that is understanding the costs you can expect as you're closing. You probably already know about your down payment. Every homeowner also needs to prep for closing costs too. These are usually around 2 to 5% of the purchase price, but there are ways to reduce how much you have to pay. Let me give you a few tips. One option is to negotiate with a seller. Now that homes are sitting on the market a bit longer, sellers may be more willing to help you with these fees. You can also shop around for homeowners insurance. Insurance rates are rising, so getting multiple quotes to find your best option is key. And don't forget to look into closing cost assistance programs. These will vary by local area, but they're designed to help you out. To make sure you have the support you need, it's important to have a team of pros by your side, and I'd love to be part of that crew. My last closing, the buyer was able to obtain a $7,000 cash credit from the seller. That's money he can put away for future improvements. He also got an $8,000 price reduction and $600 in repairs prior to closing. Call me, Tom Driemeyer, Berkshire Hathaway. Go big in Breckenridge. Love to help you out.